When is the last time you stopped and asked, do they even deserve me? These days is strange because so many of us are overextending, seeking validation or approval most times from the wrong one. It's mind-blowing because at what point did we get to a space where we had to prove ourselves to somebody that is technically a stranger? If you've been in this space, let me be the one to tell you, my friend, you are the prize. No, you're not overthinking. No, you're not doing too much. You deserve someone that is in alignment with you, not someone who's just curious about you for the moment. Now, I had to experience this myself to thoroughly understand it. There was a time where I was literally pouring myself into someone who could barely hold a cup. And let me be honest, when you desire somebody, you just pour. You just give what you know how to give. And when you've been doing the work on yourself, most times you're giving from a place of overflow. But here's the thing, just because your cup overflows does not mean that they deserve the gold that comes out of that. If they can't receive it, if they can't hold it, if they don't cherish it, then they do not deserve it. Sometimes it's so hard to know when you're depleting yourself because you're so full on your own. But the moment that you start pouring from the main cup instead of the overflow, that's when you'll feel the shift. That's when overthinking starts to creep in. That's the moment when you start questioning yourself, your time, your energy. If you're dealing with someone who is emotionally immature or manipulative, they'll flip it back on you as if you're the one tripping. Instead of acknowledging the fact that they've been drinking from your source without pouring anything back into it. So, how do you know if someone does not deserve you? They do not know how to hold what you give. They do not cherish your overflow. It's almost like they receive it as a given instead of a gift. They drain your cup. When you leave interactions exhausted instead of inspired. Now on the flip side, how do you know when they do deserve you? They meet you with reciprocity without asking. They value your presence without performance. They protect your peace like it's their own. Here's my wisdom. Before you even ask if they deserve you, make sure you do the work to know and love yourself first. Because when your cup is full, right, it's like you stop begging for sips from empty hands. And when someone can hold you, honor you, respect, and pour back into your overflow, that's not just curiosity, it's alignment. That's when you'll know.